electrical work today. So we got this big panel over here. That's over in the corner. Then I'm gonna have outlets here, and I'm gonna have them to stagger them so that some outlets are up, then other outlets are down. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, that kind of thing. So that because this is where the organs are going to be sitting up here to be worked on. So the organs to be worked on are going to be up against this wall here, lined all the way from down there all the way up here. So we'll have Hammond organs sitting. Those are the ones I'll be working on over there, and all down here. So I have one row of Hammond organs be worked on, another row of Hammond organs be worked on over here. Over here be Leslie's sitting over there, and of course upstairs there'll be Leslie's. There'll be a Leslie workstation upstairs as well. So then me and I'm putting in my electrical system and getting it ready and starting to do the wiring there, run the cords, run the electrical cords. It's an exciting day. All right, let me get out of here. Doc Kemp of the Hammond Doc. And they're working, getting it done. I'm also out here. I'm gonna have electrical work. I'm gonna have a couple of electrical boxes put outside here, outlets, 2 out here in front, 2 out here. I'm also gonna have security cameras put around the building, 1 around the back, 2 over here, and another security camera here. So trying to make things happen, good things. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.